Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding a new POS device and configuring its settings. Click on the Store Setting module name in the left navigation panel to open the drop-down menu. Then, click on POS Management. Click on the Point of Sale Device tab. You can view the information and status of all POS devices here. Click on the Add New button to add a POS device. Follow the instructions on the page to fill in the required information. Set the POS number and select a store. The store information will be fetched automatically. Lock at idle. When turned on, the screen will lock when there is no operation in the app for a long time. Set an authorization code to sign back into the system once the screen is locked. Click Save to complete the setup. Once the setup is saved successfully, the interface will return to the list page. Click on the POS number to view detailed information such as store information, employee information, and sales receipts information for this POS. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and insights. See you next time.